Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today we are making sweet and sour chicken. This is a seriously tasty dish, plus it only needs a few ingredients. Now, to start with, take 2 chicken breasts, then slice into strips using a sharp knife. And for extra flavour, why not take a sachet of seasoning to rub on your chicken. Add the chicken to a bowl and rub the seasoning all over the pieces until they're covered. Now take a large non-stick pan and place over a medium heat on the stove and add a few squirts of spray oil. When the pan's nice and hot, add the chicken in and fry for about 5 minutes until the chicken pieces are white all over. Now add to the pan 1 onion that's been peeled and sliced into half moons, as well as 1 washed red pepper sliced into strips. And then fry the onions and pepper along with the chicken for a further 5 minutes. And then, whilst remaining over a medium heat on the stove, add 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and some of the juice from a tin of pineapple chunks. Now stir all the contents of the pan until these ingredients are combined to make a sauce, then leave to simmer for about 10 minutes with the lid on your pan. Then, after 10 minutes, remove the lid and pour in 150 grams of Mange Tout that's been washed and trimmed, along with 125 grams of Beansprouts. Also add some of the pineapple from your tin of pineapple chunks and then stir everything together for one final time. Leave to simmer for a remaining 5 to 10 minutes, again with the lid on, then your sweet and sour chicken is ready to serve. And this is also a great recipe for meal prep, so you can have your lunches or dinners organised for the week.